Welcome back to my channel. My name is Brianda. I know I look a hot mess right now, and this cap is taking over my face, but it's okay. The big forehead is concealed. Today, we are going to be trying to make breakfast for the family by ourselves, which I've never done before because I'm not a cook, okay? Period. I'm not finna front for y'all. I do not make breakfast, I do not make lunch, and neither do I make dinner. I do other things that suits me a spot in the house. Let's get started. Mix it, mix it, mix it. I already grabbed this item here, but I'm still trying to look for the thing that you plug in. I'm not a cook. I don't know where things are. Could you use a spoon too? Maybe a spoon might be better. I'm gonna use a spoon. I'm extremely too lazy. This is not a cooking channel. Why am I trying? It's right here. Okay. This is the plan. Oh, spatula. Luckily, I saw it right here. We have to use this to flip the pancake, so we are all ready to go now. But anyways, getting started off. I don't know how much to even put in here. And I don't feel like using, you know, I'm gonna just do it by eye and see what happens, because I don't really feel like, whatchamacallit, using measuring stuff. I feel like I put too much, but it's okay. Ew. This is how you know I don't cook like that. Like, I don't like stuff getting on my hand. That's weird. Okay, I think that's enough for now. Stab. Rake. Look how clean that was. Okay, purr. Put that there. Crack. Okay, that one was not as clean, but none of the shavings got in there. So that's all that matters. Okay. I need a napkin. I can't. Do y'all see this? This looks freaking disgusting. I need more water. Yeah, definitely more water. Because this is not condensing itself at all. I hate using a whisk though, because I feel like all the stuff gets stuck and then it's like not condensing itself down. Y'all, this looks nasty. I don't know what I did wrong. This is like extra clunky. I'm nervous, guys. This might not be enough. This is gonna be a big, hefty pancake. Oh my goodness. Ah! Wait, oh my God, why is this pancake so big? These pancakes are really big, but they're not thick. This pancake is too big, y'all. It's a good circle though, but it's too big. These pancakes gonna be flat. I don't want a flat pancake. I want a hefty pancake. I'm disappointed. Y'all, this is not gonna fit over the spatula. I know y'all see how big that pancake is. Hold on. Guys, look at my pancake rise to the occasion. No pun intended. Let me stop. Oh my God. Don't flip it towards me. Okay. Not horrible, but not the greatest either. The circle is still there. At least it's cooked. It's cooked. That's all that matters. But oh my goodness, y'all. That was kind of scary. That's a good technique though. Taking two and just... I like that. This was the first one, so it's okay. Let me figure out what other elements I can add because I'm not in the mood to make eggs anymore. I feel like this is already enough for me. So let's see if we have any fruits. Okay, no fruits. Wow. They finna just like these pancakes. That's all I can say right now. Ooh, this pancake is looking a little thick. Okay, as As you should. Yaga. Y'all. That was my favorite pancake too. Y'all, I just messed this up. Why did I go so far? Oh my goodness. This pancake is not eatable, y'all.
No ma'am. No ma'am. No ma'am. No ma'am.
That's not eatable. I just screwed this one up. I'm gonna throw this one away. I'm sorry. I'm not gonna give anybody a pancake that looks like this because I would not even eat this pancake. Not horrible, but not the best, okay? Let's take that part off. This one's a nice one though. I'm pretty sure this one's gonna turn out good. Which is good because the person that's gonna be tasting this is gonna be judgmental, which is my sister. I gave her the smallest pancake. This one looks nice too, so I'll just take the messed up one and then they get to have the nice ones. As they should, so. I'm gonna empty this out, I'm gonna clean my mess, and I'll be back when all my pancakes are in line and I'm in my outfit, so. So, your favorite cook is back. I have my little, cooking outfit and still my pajamas on, but that's okay. And we have all the pancakes here that are on this plate. They're gonna have to find out what else they want next to these pancakes because there's no fruit and I'm not gonna make no eggs and bacon, so. If y'all want a part 2 and part 3, we can try to do that together, but this is the end of the video. I'm not gonna do no more work. Get mom and tell her breakfast is ready. Oh my gosh, what if they don't like it? What if they don't like it? Like, get your own breakfast. Both of you guys have to come downstairs at the same time. No. You have your pancakes made after a long-awaited process.
Thank you.
Of course. We're not gonna record their reaction. That should be for part 2 if I decide to make the full breakfast. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you guys did enjoy, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Give this video a big thumbs up and don't forget to comment down below with some requests or just your thoughts of this lovely vlog.
And follow me on TikTok.
Okay, so later guys, bye.